Namaste dosto. Today's topic is implementation of RTM for electricity in India as per new CERC regulations. So first of all, birth of real-time market. Why real-time market mechanism has been born? At present, generator can sell their power in exchange through day-ahead market and term-ahead market mechanism with the consent of respective beneficiaries. It is observed that many times beneficiaries don't give the consent to remain safe. Because of this, at times power remains unsold in the form of URS, that is unrequested surplus. To avoid this, an alternate mechanism was thought of where generators as well as distributing companies can participate in selling and buying the URS power available at almost near to real time. Real-time market mechanism was born and it is an organized platform for energy trade closer to real time just an hour before delivery. The Commission, in order to implement real-time market for electricity in India, has made provisions through amendments in relevant regulations on 12th December 2019. The amendments in the regulations for implementation of RTM were to come into effect from 1st April 2020. However, in the backdrop of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, the Commission deferred the implementation of RTM by 2 months via notification dated 20th March 2020. According to RTM, it is to commence with effect from 1st June 2020. So, what is real-time market? As part of this mechanism, there will be 48 numbers half-hourly markets in a day starting from 00 hours to 2400 hours. These delivery periods will be 00 to 0030 hours, 0030 to 0100 hours and so on. For each of these half-hourly delivery periods, auction will be conducted in a 15-minute block period. 5 blocks before the start of the delivery period. The right to revision of schedule for the delivery period will also end before starting of the auction block. Let's take an example. Here is a 15-minute time blocks from 20-30 hours to 0030 hours. In the first block at 20-30 to 20-45 hours, schedule will be injected, and in the next block, auction will be started and auction period will end at 2300 hours. Delivery will be started after the 5 blocks from the auction period block, that is 7 number blocks, that is from 00 hours. As delivery period goes on for 30 minutes, it will end on 0030 hours. There are some more clause in tariff regulations. All the blocks are identified as odd time blocks and even time blocks. Odd time blocks are the time blocks 00 to 0015 hours, 0030 to 0045, 01002 to 0115 and so on. Even time blocks are the time blocks 0015 to 0030, 0045 to 01 and so on. Any revision in schedule made in odd time block shall become effective from 7th time block, and any revision in schedule made in even time blocks shall become effective from 8th time block. Now let's understand the statement clearly. In the first line diagram, we can see that T1 block is odd block. Injection or revision of schedule will be done during this period. At 20-45 hours, schedule will be freezed for T7 and T8 blocks. Next, auction will start and it will end at 2300 hours. Finally, the result come out which generator will sell how much power to home at what tariff. Next 2 blocks are for schedule preparation and communication. Next, preparation for dispatch, and hence delivery period starts. T7 and T8 is the delivery period block. So we can see any revision in schedule become effective from 7th time block. There is another example of event time blocks where any revision in schedule become effective from 8th time blocks. Features of the new real-time market. Half-hourly markets. Half-hourly markets, after every 15 minutes, 48 markets for the days start from 22:45 hours for 00 to 00:30 period and so on. Double-sided bidding, both seller and buyer will participate in bidding. Revision of schedule increased to 7th and 8th blocks for odd and even blocks. Schedule frozen before auction takes place, that is the gate closure concept. Generators will offer their surplus power. And next, profit sharing. Generators share capped at 7 paise. What are the challenges and what are the opportunities in new RTM? Challenges. Challenge to prepare the bids in 15-minute block period. Next is ramping capability of the station. 24/7 market operation. DC change can be done only after 7th or 8th block as against 4th block as existing. Solar and wind power will not be able to take part in RTM. There will be much higher loss in DSM during unit tripping as well as startup. During startup, DC declaration is to be done in more judicious manner. It is better to stabilize then to give DC. In case unit tripping, once power is scheduled to any generator through RTM, generator has to pay DSM charges. Generators can even buy power through RTM. Next is the opportunity. RTM will create opportunity to sell the URS power of generators. Consent of the distributing companies will be automatic. DSM implication for both distributing companies and generators increased to 7 to 8 blocks instead of 4 blocks. So thank you guys. See you in next video. Dhanyavad.